So my Higround keyboard and mousepad came in today. Let's go ahead and unbox it and check it out. Alright, so before we even start the unboxing, let's go ahead and clear off this desk. This is the current keyboard that I have right now. It's pretty nice. This one is a 65% keyboard with a black and white topographic design. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and take off this Higround mat as well. Alright. Here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm pretty stoked that this Pokemon mousepad or desk mat came with a nice case. That's pretty cool. Okay, this looks so good. Look at the colors of this bad boy. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Add a little pop of color to my desk. Also, I can use this mousepad or this desk mat also on my unboxing table. So I can add a little pop of color to that as well as some different designs, so I like that. So this keyboard I have right now is another 65% keyboard. It's sporting the same exact design as the mouse pad, so it's so dope. Oh, okay, that's what's up. Hey, it looks better up here. That looks pretty decent. Of course, instruction manual. I don't really need that. I'm surprised that it also came in a black and white topographic wrap. So that's pretty cool. Okay, that feels really, really nice. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. That is so dope. Also in here, of course, it comes with keycap puller, the cable for the actual keyboard, another keycap puller. So yeah, that's pretty much that comes with it, as well as of course a sticker. Do I take the plastic off? Yo, put a one down in the comments if you want me to take this plastic off. Decent weight to it. It fits directly in the center of the mat, like perfectly. Let's do a comparison real quick between these two. Yeah, I prefer this one. I prefer the Pokeball one, especially when it comes to the spacebar. The black and white topographic design spacebar is more clicky, or I feel when it bottoms out, you get actual click. But with the actual Pokeball one, it's softer, if that makes sense. Let's go ahead and plug that bad boy up. Moment of truth. It looks good. So some key things I noticed on this particular keyboard is that on both sides of the keyboard, it has a Pokemon logo, as well as on the space bar, it has a Pokemon and Higround logo. On the back, it has some rubber pads, so it can stay on your desk mat without slipping and sliding. And as well as this silver tab right here that says 0342. So I'm guessing this is the number of the keyboard that was made. So this is the 324th keyboard that was made. That's an educated guess, as well as, you know, additional information on the back. Now, another feature that I love on this keyboard is that the letters and numbers aren't on top. It's directly in the front. So when you're typing, you can see it without it obstructing the art and the design of the keyboard. Now, one more thing that I noticed with Higround, they seem to be partnering with a lot of brands that I like. So they partnered with Yu-Gi-Oh! A couple months back. They partnered with Jujutsu Kaisen a couple months back. And now they're partnering with Pokemon. So hopefully they don't keep releasing bangers like this because I need to save my money. Let me know down in the comments what you think the next Higround collaboration should be. I can't believe I forgot this, but I also worked with DBZ as well as Gundam, so that's pretty cool. I hope the next collaboration should be maybe one with Digimon. That would be crazy, having a black War Greymon keyboard or an Agumon keyboard, top tier. With that, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, drop a comment down, let me know your thoughts when it comes to this keyboard. Do you see yourself having one or grabbing one? Until next time, guys. Peace.